Om Shanti. Welcome friends in Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I'm making video on a very, very precious topic, and lots of people already share this, but a few days back somebody asked me about this, so I'm just making this video for her and for other people also take benefit from this video. The Vajroli Mudra, the seal, how to seal your semen, your penis, your vagina, urethra. This is the gem in Tantra. It's written in the Shiv Samhita. It's a holy book in Hindu mythology based on a Shiva Shakti, means masculine and feminine, divine masculine, divine feminine. And it's a very effective, two mudras are very effective in the tantras, and to who want to live celibate, Himalayan yogi, they do these practices, and other yogis too, who live celibate in their life, who want to control and want to suck their fluid up or want to stop on a particular point in the urethra and in the penis. So the Vajroli Mudra is the very effective mudra. If you become a master of it, you need a very long practice. It's not, you cannot directly practice this. You need to do the breath work, you need to do the locks of breathing, Udyan Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh, Mool Bandh. You have to learn the root lock, abdomen lock and the chin lock. You have to learn. You can sit in three postures: lotus posture, diamond posture, easy posture. You can sit in this. I'm just sharing information. I'm not just telling. I practice in my life when I was living a celibate life, so I do practices. Right now I don't do practice. A little bit I do, but not so much. If they want, only lots of people they done practices. I forgot their names. If I found, so I will share on my description. The two people they do practice this Vajroli Mudra in the Shaivism, in the Kashmirism, related to the Shaivism in the Kashmir in India, the part of India, and one in the Nepal. One was Muslim and one was a Christian, from America. So he learned that practice from the divine teachers who live in the Kashmir and in Nepal. So this is for those people, and it can help also those people who are suffering from the pre-ejaculation, even in the men and the women also, who cannot control their sex drive, who cannot control their orgasm for a long time. Even the same thing in the men who cannot control their ejaculation for a long time. So they have to practice this without taking a pills. You work on some breath work that I shared already with you, the deep breathing and the lock system of your root, of your abdomen, of your chin. You have to practice this if you really want to heal and cure your ejaculation problem. You can do the Vajroli Mudra and the Ashwini Mudra. Today I am talking about the Vajroli. Maybe I will create another video on the Ashwini Mudra. These two mudras are very important, but you have to learn this only with the masters. 3 stages in this. According to the Shiva Samhita, it's mentioned there the 7 levels to practice this mudra, to become a master of it, to hold your semen as much as time you can. Even during the intimacy or during doing something, whatever you wanted, you can hold your semen. You cannot waste a single drop with this power. You can control your sexual desires and energies through that. So it's mentioned the 7 levels there and 5 stages. You can do 3 stages easily, there is no problem, but you cannot do more 2 stages. Only you can do under the supervision of the master who become a master of these mudras in their life, because that is very difficult and dangerous technique they use in this. I will share a description with you for more information. You can, because I cannot explain everything to you, it will become a more big video. So I don't want to explain everything here. I'm just giving you a basic detail, and you can read my post on the Facebook page and on my Facebook timeline. I will share every single detail with the levels, how they do, how to attain, but don't practice yourself. Only practice 3 stages. Do yoga with this. You can do yoga, you can do locks, you can do breath work. But the some other things, they suck. They use the silver, copper, gold, a material, a pin, and they put inside the urethra and the penis, and they suck the metals through there, and it could be affected. It could be very dangerous method. So it's a very dangerous method, so don't try. But if you really want to achieve the disease and cure your pre-ejaculation issue of your sexual drive, so you can do the locks. Lock is the better system. The Uddiyana Bandh, the abdominal lock, Jalandhar Bandh, chin lock, and the Mooladhar Bandh, Mool Bandh, that is root lock. You can practice this, practice breath work, do more Anlom Vilom, Nadi Shodhana, alternate breathing, channel purifications, and do yoga, do squats, Indian style squats, sumo squats. You have to do every day, and you have to increase the strength in your legs in the core area of your root, and chanting lam 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 continuously. People mix 2 things. I want to clear one thing more. Mostly people will teaching nowadays. I saw some videos on YouTube, and they are teaching the root lock as a Vajroli Mudra. In the Vajroli Mudra, we lock, we squeeze, we suck, and we, inward and outward, we just the penis area. In the male, we squeeze the penis area, not the anus. In the root lock, we squeeze inward the anus. But in the Vajroli Mudra, we squeeze, that area, that is penis and the vagina. So mostly people, they are teaching the root lock. We didn't use root lock in Vajroli Mudra. According to the Shiva Samhita and the other sages, they never used that lock. They use the penis because the semen in your testicles. So we need to focus on it. We don't need to focus on the anus. Anus is for to activation your serpent powers, your energies to lifting up. It's a different method, but it's a different topic. But Vajroli Mudra focusing on the penis and the vagina, urethra. To focus to suck inside. With the practice continuously, we do practice, release inward, outward, and the breath will be normal. We don't need to lock in the beginning stage. We just need to normally breath in the easy pose, and we just practicing 15, 20, 30 rounds in the beginning if you are a beginner. So just squeeze inward and release, inward and release, inward, outward, the penis and the vagina area. So don't mix 2 things together. Mostly people try to spreading wrong information. So go with the right links and go with the right text and information, right? So I will share a text with you too. I will share everything there. If you want to achieve the higher powers inside you, you just need to do 2 or 1 mudra. This mudra is complete. The Vajroli Mudra is complete. I will share the image also on it, how to make that mudra. It's a V posture. We make human V. We lift our legs up and put our hands down and make that posture, and we try to hold that posture to make pressure on the abdomen and the penis and the vagina point to circulate the blood circulation there. So it's a very basic detail that I'm sharing with you. And if you really want to practice, only practice this kind of, because that's why lots of people feeling diseases doing breath work and yoga. So always do under the supervision who are master of it. Without through the YouTube and through, don't try this. Please don't try this. Use your brain and mind. Don't try to learn from Google books and the YouTube videos. I make videos for informations only. If you really want to learn, so you can connect, and step by step you will go there. It's a very long process. It's not a crash course. In a 2 months, in a 3 months, you will become a certified. No, it's not a certification. It's not a part of piece of paper. It's a part of practice and the knowledge in your life. The spirituality based on theory and practical experiences. So don't focus on the piece of paper, to certification, to earn money, to connect with lots of people. Yeah, it's a need of nowadays, I have no problem with that, but focus on the theory and the practice. The right knowledge you have to be focus on that mostly. So enjoy your day and enjoy my videos. If you really like it, you can share and just live in the bliss. Om Shanti.